Ta-da! Yeah, something is missing here. Hi guys and welcome on my channel. In this episode I will be working further with my Mercedes GLB 250 2021. Now guys, I want to show you a short video from loading the car. So see you there. The Eagle has landed. Time to load it. Car is heavily damaged in front. So the car look like this. I start working without recording it because I don't have a lot of time to, record footage. But I want to show you the progress of my work. So here is the bumper. The bumper is almost prepared for painting. So it had one coat of primer. The car doesn't have wheels, as you can see, because I had to, I will show you the rims later. So the fender is almost finished. It had all primer, the hood is finished also. Here and here was small dents. Now they are fixed. Also this bumper, this fender, sorry. And in this episode I wanna paint. Ta-da! Yeah, something is missing here. And in this episode I want to paint those, I don't know the proper English name for it, rails, I don't know. And here I want to paint it. Let's time doing this. Also I have to put seam sealer here in this side. As you can see, the primer is in and this is prepared to paint. But I have to put the seam sealer and I will be doing this right now. So guys, the seam sealer is on the car. See, this is the original part. This is my part. Also here and also here. So now it has to not dry. It have to cure. I don't know the English name for it. It have to become, much harder. And then I can paint this thing, and also I will show you here. It's done, everything, you see. I will wait a bit and I can put base and clear. And guys, I want to show you a small trick, because you see here the seam sealer is damaged. So now I will cut it. Okay, so now I have two spots. I will put here some seam sealer and I will cut and I will put this in that place and I will paint it. So I should have same structure, So I will do this now and I will show you the result. So you see guys? It's fit perfect. and it have to dry, and this will, glue to it, and I will correct those, because now it's hard to do, and I will correct those gaps. I will fill those gaps with the seam sealer, and it should be perfect. Now we have to dry everything, and the next step will be painting those bars, rails, I don't know how to call it. And now I will show you what I need to do with the rims. Here are the rims. I don't know how to call it, straight them, because the rims was bent. And I have to prepare them for diamond cutting. And the repair was here, you know, they have to use heat to straight the wheel, as you can see. And now I will sand the entire wheel, and I will put one coat of base, and the rims should be ready for diamond cutting. And also, guys, I disassembled the dashboard, so now I will take the dashboard from the car. A lot of things going on, so the dash is disassembled, also the headliner is disassembled. So as you can see, there was a lot of work with this car, and now there's no wheels, the engine is missing. Here the wheels are missing too. So the car is at this moment one big puzzle, and if you like this movie, please leave the thumbs up, subscribe, and leave some comments to appreciate my work. Okay guys, so I managed to paint everything here with base. Now I will put one coat of clear, and this will be ready. Don't worry about this. I have to clean everything, but I will be painting on low pressure, so there will be no overspray here in the theory. But I think we will do this. Hope it will be fine.
Mission accomplished! Woo!
Done. I know that this doesn't look pretty on the camera, but the final result counts, I think. And look. I think it came out pretty nice. There's no dirt. I am very happy. So guys, hope you like my movies. Please leave the thumbs up, subscribe, and leave some comments if you can. This will help grow my channel. I do my best to, grow up. I don't know how many episodes I will create on this car. Next episode I want to paint hood, fenders and bumper and wheels, and the car should be ready to body shop to to assembly the whole thing. So I hope you like my movies. Once again, please leave the thumbs up, subscribe if you can, and see you all to the next time. Peace, I love you guys.